I don't mind saying I rolled out of bed and I rolled up.
So I want to go out now and buy meat. I have what's it called? I have a research group meeting by 2 p.m. So I'm going to go. My husband is going to drive me to that place because I have not learned very well. So yeah, I'll go and buy meat and then come back home. Probably pick up a couple of things before going back home, and then wash the meat and apportion them because I'm going to be using all of the meats to cook on Saturday. Yeah, because I will be traveling on Monday. Yes, I will be away from my family for like 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, I have a lot of meal prep to do. So many things to do, and I have not packed my box, my luggage. I've not packed my things for the trip. Yeah, I am going to Greece. All right. So let me just do what I came here to do. Okay, I will see you later on at the meat shop. Ding, 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 ding. There's a- Hmm? Lord. Good.
I don't mind saying I rolled out of bed and I rolled up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me become? I make some coffee and a plan, and I decide on oats and eggs. Blow my cares away. Ooh, prepares me for the things that come. Yeah, beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that will make it through. And I have barely begun moving as I am out through seas unknown. Don't break no promises, sing in a key that your body believes. Ooh, I'm making my way out of the city. I need more time in the garden. Beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that you make it through. It's all I need to hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's all I do to hold on, hold on, and it's all I do to hold on. You know I hold on. Oh, that's all I do to hold on.
Just another honky tonk, another lonely night. One more wrong, trying to make it right. Another sawdust floor, dancers in the disco lights. Another hopeful sunset.
a shot of step. So take a shot of step. Never let the Lord's forsaken. Woo! Your glory pave the road ahead on this best day. After washing the meat, let me just, I feel so tired, but I still have a few things that I bought from the market apart from the meat to sort out. And I'm tired, I don't have strength, and I haven't even made dinner. I have to find something very simple to make this night, and I don't know what that thing is. Honestly, I have tomato stew. I might end up boiling just rice and defrosting the stew. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I am about to go out. I need to go and pick up my poster because I will be presenting. There's going to be a workshop for the summer school attendees to present their work. So I'm going to be presenting a poster. I'm going to pick that up from the place I sent it for printing, and then also pick a few things that I will be needing. I need a headphone. I need some euros. And then, I'm going to get get some euros, okay? Withdraw some euros. And then a couple of other things. And then I'm going to come back and get to cooking, okay? So I think once I pick the poster, I am set for, the academic part of my travel, of my trip. But yeah, anyway, so it's time to go. Why am I
Going home now?
Levi? So we've been on the go since morning, and now we are here to pick up the kids. Divine is here. Yeah, come on, let's go find your sisters. Hello, ladies. Anybody miss me? My day was fabulous. Yours? I'm going to room now.
No carrying, go walk. Go.
What do you have on your lips? You didn't clean them after eating? No. What did you eat? Treasure? What did you eat? This is how we do it. Everybody is doing their part. Look at that. Even my little boy. Yeah. Come on, baby. I got my poster printed.